Hey guys, John here, making some progress on the trailer. The other day, I came up with a plan to make my countertop, and I wanted a heavy-duty tabletop. So what I used was 1-inch stair tread material, red oak, and I bought a couple of stair treads. And you can see what I did was I glued the two of them together. Let me go ahead and flip this up, and you can see that I used Kreg screws. I put some reinforcing right there, but you can see there where the joint's at. But after getting it glued and screwed and did a little sand in there, I'm going to go ahead and finish that out with some golden maple or golden oak stain, and then put some polyacrylic on it. So that's the countertop. Let me give you a close-up. Out in the trailer, I've got the framing done for the cabinets, some of it, most of it anyways. And what I've done down here is, this is where the power unit's going to go. I made a little stand to hold all the weight of it. Let me give you a close-up of that. All right, for my face frames, on the outside uprights, I'm using a 3-inch material, and then the cross pieces in the middle will be the 2-inch. I'm using the Kreg system that drills a hole in the end of the board, and then special screws, and it goes in. It's very simple to use. The Kreg jig is right here, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate how that's done. On this jig, you place your material in the jig, and you've got different measurements for the thickness of the wood. And then once you've got it in place, you've got a special drill with a stop on it, and you just place it in the guides and just drill your holes. Then when you're done, you've got your holes, and then what that'll do is go up. Make sure you put your holes on the inside. You'll put your special screws in. These Kreg screws come in different lengths. Screws go in the hole there. And then you have a special bit, and you just go ahead and run the screws through, and it joins the material. Works pretty good. Hey folks, quick update on what I've been doing. I've been working on my wiring system and this cabinet here, face frames and whatnot. So right now, I've got it just held up here with some clamps. I've yet to paint the finish color on the face frame. So let me just point out a few features. I have, this is my controller right here for the bed. Let me turn the camera around. And right here, got the bed, automatic bed right here, works great. Got a rocker switch. One way's up, the other way's down. Don't have a mattress on it yet, of course, but anyway, that's where that's at right there. So, let me show you what I've done here. Get this out of the way. I haven't mounted the shelves are just in there, but right here. So right here I've got my power. When the face frame is put on, then some screws will go through this and fasten this to the face frame securely. But anyways, here's all my, do a little tidying up of the wires here and clean that up a little bit. But anyways, I have a area over here where I eventually hope to put some lithium batteries over there. But anyways, that's my wiring situation right there. With all these circuits, I've got about 8 of them, plus the 110s. It's kind of hard to keep all this wiring without looking like a rat's nest. But anyways, that's that right here. This switch right over here. Right here I have lights. So I've got lights. I also have my water pump on a relay, so when I leave the trailer, I'll just turn this switch off and it'll shut off power to my pump. But when I need power to the pump, I'll just turn it on right there. Anyways, it runs off a relay. Then I've got USB chargers right there, a voltmeter, and 12 volt cigarette lighter type charger right there. Eventually there'll be a countertop right there also, but that's right there. So anyways, the next step is to get my face frames and put the final paint on them. I'm going to paint these shelves here, and then my oak countertop that I have inside. I haven't stained that and finished that with polyurethane. It'll be the same coating. I have polyurethane on here, a couple of coats. Anyways, so I'm still working on the trailer. It's just slow going, but hope to have it done soon.